Do you feel like you could have done more?
When you mean do more, I can have your back. I can support you, but I don't have to go into a fight with you. I don't.
You could have owned the narrative, my love. What do you mean you broke up with me?
So what happened?
No, what do you mean you broke up with me? Real talk.
So guys, between Chinwe and Flourish, which do you think gave you the highlights yesterday? Like guys, I decided to show you guys my own opinion this morning because a lot was going on that yesterday. Like, I understand that Chinwe is hot. Like, she really has a lot to say. You know, when you are the one that is always carrying the relationship, like, it's really more important to you than the other party. That's the way Chinwe is actually feeling. But I felt like she said a lot that reduced this guy's ego. Like, it reduced Zion's ego to nothing. Like, in front of those housemates, I don't think Zion will have any guts. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, go. Like, I feel like the way she has explained Zion in front of this housemates, there is the level of who be this one they are going to be giving the guy. No matter how you feel about your relationship, I feel like it is better the relationship is separated with respect, despite the emotions that is being bottled up for you to air in the reunion. Do you understand? It's still going to affect you somehow because whenever you go out, they'll be like, no, be this guy's girlfriend with this. I don't know if you get my point. Looking at Zion, I felt like he's more laid back in this whole relationship thing. I don't think he's making any effort financially to support her. Now that she's saying that the guy's sister doesn't like her, there's another wahala. So now, guys, tell me, going to Flourish, Ruth is expecting DJ Flo to fight her fight. Do you think it's even wise? I get that when you're my friend, if you have issues, I should back you up. But when you are making sense, normally she doesn't look like someone that really talks. And for a 10 years relationship with her as her friend, she should have found out that she's not that kind of person. Even the problem I find out here is that there was no effort of Flo trying to make, mediate in the situation or maybe trying to understand what is going on. She just stepped aside. I guess that's where her own point is coming from. But guys, just help me out in the comment section. What do you really think about these 2 points that these different ships or different duos explained? Ruth was complaining that her friend wasn't there for her and they ended the friendship because of that. So I'm saying that I feel like they really need to talk and understand themselves and then know how to go about the situation. Other than ending a friendship of 10 years, anything can happen. You might need that person at some point in time. Or maybe they just, decided to part ways in a cordial way. Okay, so guys, I really want to know your opinion and see you guys in my next video because I know another drama is about to unfold again tonight. Bye.